So next question is, how was your reaction when India got freedom and Telangana did not get, or Nizam did not get?
Nizam, I tell you, when 47, India became freedom. But we achieved independence only after police action. After 13 months of the Hyderabad state become independent after 13 months of the India becoming independent. We have not, because it is a Prince state. Our entire against Nizam, but not Britishers. Britishers, their rule is not here. But this, we all awakening has come. Students started this. Those in those days, only this due to library, cultural programs, and meetings, political assess. Andhra Mahasabha was there. 1930 Andhra Mahasabha formed and ended 1947. Last 46 is the last meeting. This is that only the association which actually teached or actually started preaching and political awareness. That Andhra Mahasabha brought awareness in the public, and we are all members of that Andhra Mahasabha. Right?
So, was Telangana freedom struggle different than rest of the nation? Means like in did Nizam torture our state people more than Britishers, or they tortured same like Britishers?
This I told you there are 565 princely states. Mostly all the states they have joined in the India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and on his efforts, all the states except 3 or 4 states first Travancore resisted and Junagadh resisted, and there are 3 or 4 states, but finally they have joined. But only Hyderabad they have not joined. It's a different Indian government, Indian National Congress is not here. It is only Hyderabad State Congress. Afterwards, it has come. That's why, and it is banned immediately. Nizam banned all political parties. No, nothing is. Students also, 1938, students sang Vande Mataram in Usmania University. They stopped that, prohibited. Then in those days, each 4 districts there is one intermediate college. Warangal, Gulbarga, Aurangabad. Only 3 colleges are there, intermediate colleges, and Hyderabad is there. All the intermediate colleges, high schools, the students stopped Vande Mataram, banned this Vande Mataram, and most of the students are actually all the students, those who participated in that movement, 1938 movement, they are restricted. They have stopped. They have actually not only restricted, they have informed other universities not to take them in their further. P.V. Narsora is one of them, and these so many leaders, they have stopped. They have been restricted and given a restriction certificate. They have gone Pune, Nagpur, various other Jabalpur, so many places they have gone and studied. And afterwards, this movement is Hyderabad movement, is a very peculiar movement. Is because Nizam, he wants to rule the country. He has got separate railways, separate posts, separate currency, everything separate. That's why he wants to use a big state out of 506. Is the only big state. This he wants to rule. First, then Radhakar Qasim Razvi, he is a leader of the Radhakars. He actually poisoned him. He says Islam, all Muslim countries will, in world Muslim countries will support him. But unfortunately, no Muslim, even Pakistan also not supported him. Nobody has supported him. And finally, when police action has come, when public resistance has come, this movement ended and we joined in Indian Union.
Where was the first posting? Where was your first posting as a police officer?
As a police officer, after 1 year training as sub-inspector of police, I selected as sub-inspector of police at the age of 19. And first I joined after training Vemulavada, Karimnagar district. Vemulavada Rajarajeshwara Swami temple is there, very famous temple is there. There I have been posted in 1952. I have been posted at Vemulavada, Karimnagar district.
Okay. So please enlighten us by sharing one or two of your most challenging cases in your service.
Uneasy cases.
Challenging cases you faced.
Uneasy means cases there are, which is all challenging cases used to come. Like I tell you, in one case, simple I tell you, I have arrested one dacoit, and he has given information. His associates are staying in Secunderabad. Myself and 2 constables have come here to arrest him, but we don't know that particular Tadvan area is completely criminals in those days. I am speaking of 1952, and all huts are there. When I caught actually other associates, immediately all others, they have started crying and started with lathis and attacked us. Then I shouted and given 2 big whistles with my whistle, and I told them, there all the constables are surrounded against you. If any person you move, you will be shot dead. Then they have stopped. Immediately I took the dacoit and I arrested him and brought back. That is immediately in one, my sense of that, I got that sense immediately. Anyhow, I rescued and I can able to arrest the dacoit also. That's the first I tell you. And second, there is this incident I am telling. While I was sub-inspector in Crime Branch CID, there is a case in assembly. One in Hyderabad, Samiti president, cash chest has been stolen away. Big cash chest, Trijori. Then local police failed to arrest them. Finally, the matter is referred to Crime Branch CID. We arrested all the criminals. We interrogated. Police also interrogated. All failed. Finally, one day, what happened during investigation? There was only one clue. Crowbar. One crowbar has left on the spot. Do you know crowbar? Digging crowbar. That crowbar has a very peculiar. There is a hole inside of the crowbar. Then what I told, actually, if this is connected, this case will be solved. Then we actually, all 4 or 5 villages, we tried to inquire all these blacksmiths and lohars and others. But we are unable. Finally, in one village, Singapore, that blacksmith immediately identified. He told me, sir, this is, I know this so-and-so person is having this, and only 3-4 months back he has brought for this repairs. Then we caught that man. You wonder it, this case, within 1 hour, within 1 day, case is detected. Entire Trijori as it is we have recovered, because the man is chowkidar of that Samiti office, and he pretended he is caught and roped with all chairs and others. He just a drama he has took place, and that's why police, nobody suspected him. Finally, when this crowbar detection is there, immediately we caught him, and every A to Z, everything property recovered, and the case is convicted. He is convicted for 6 months. That's I tell you, simple cases. There are several cases we have done, but very 2 cases I have given. It's a very those political political parties, one other political party, they have told another political party. Assembly there is a roar, uproar. That's why I told this.